Welcome. Today I'm going to put you through on how to create different chart types in Google Sheets. Okay? Google Sheets is the Google version of Microsoft Excel. So follow me as I put you through on every step you need to take to get that achieved. The first step is to open our web browser. So I'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. Okay? As the browser opens, let me choose an account. Visit sheets.google.com. Okay, I am logged in automatically because I have saved my login details in this browser. But in your own case, you'll be required to log in with your Gmail account details. Okay, Google Slides is a Google property, so if you have a Gmail, you already have an account in Google Slides. So here we'll be working with blank spreadsheet, so I'll select this. As the blank spreadsheet opens, I want us to plot column chart first. So I will create a data, and from that data, I will then plot the column chart. So follow along, okay? Okay, here I've entered the data I want to use for the plotting of the graph, okay? So here is the year. It shows Godwin Tech academic graduates by year. That means each year are the number of students that graduated from the academy, okay? From 2020. In 2020, we trained 80 students. In 2021, we trained 20 students. In 2022, we trained 30 students. And in 2023, we trained 50 students. Okay, so I want to represent this information in a column chart. For me to do that, first I will select the information. So I'll select this first cell and I will then drag and select the other areas I want to be represented in the graph. Okay, after the selection, click the Insert tab, then click Chart. Okay, now Sheet inserts the chart automatically. It detects data and then suggests or insert the chart it feels is the best for this type of graph. Are you getting it? But that is not my intention. That is not what I want to have here. Here is a line graph. Are you getting it? But I will change it, okay? So get to this margin and then click at this part and then select the option of column chart, which is what I want to have, okay? So let's look for column chart here. So let's go with this. And as you can see now, we have now inserted column chart in this our spreadsheet. All right. So let's now have another data and plot a different chart type. I want us to create a bar chart. And in this bar chart, I want to have the courses that Godwin Tech offer and the number of students that participate in each of the courses. Okay. So here, let me now edit the heading first, which is Godwin Tech academic courses. Okay. All right, so here now I will have courses as a subheading and I will have number of students here. Okay, so here I will have courses or course. Okay, this number of students is not showing properly, so I have to extend this column. Okay, good. All right, so I would now have the first course I offer here is Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I will fill the rest of the information. I will continue from here. Okay. Okay, I'm done creating my data in the spreadsheet. Okay, you can see Godwin Tech academic courses. So these are the list of the courses, and these are the number of students in each of that is participating in each of the courses. Okay, for example, Microsoft Excel has 25 students, Microsoft Word has 15 students, Computer Guide has 22 students, Python programming has 9 students, and cybersecurity has 12 students. Okay. All right, Excel has the highest number, which means that so many people are interested in learning Microsoft Excel. Okay. All right, let's now represent this information in a bar chart. So I'll click on the first major cell, then I will then select down. Okay. So I've selected the information I want to represent in the bar chart. After that, click Insert. The spreadsheet program inserts the chart automatically based on the information here. But that is not the first thing I want us to create, okay? So I will change it from here. Under the setup, I'll click here and select bar chart. So let's go to bar chart. Look at bar chart here, okay? I'll click on that. And now the bar chart is now properly represented. You can see the bar for the Microsoft Excel is the highest, which is at 25, okay? Followed by this, all right, and followed by this and the rest, okay? So that is how you can represent the data you have in a spreadsheet, that is Google Sheets, okay, in the graph, all right? Okay, I would like for us to use this same information to plot the pie chart. It has been selected already, so we click on Insert, and then we select Chart. All right, now this program now inserted the pie chart for us. Okay, so we don't need to pass through any stress. You get that? Okay, now you can see Excel has 30.1% of all the courses I offer in my academy. All right, then the next number is computer guide, which is 26.5%. Okay, people are interested in these two courses so much, then followed by others. All right, so the last chart I would like to represent is a line chart. So let me prepare my data. In this line chart, I want to represent the amount of money I earn from each of the courses I offer for one particular month. So let's get to it, okay? Okay, here I have my data clearly stated, okay? You can see the courses and the amount earned in that particular month. Microsoft Excel gave me $300. Microsoft Word gave me $200. Computer Guide gave me $250. Python programming gave me $400. And cybersecurity gave me $580 in that particular month, meaning that cybersecurity is more expensive than all these other courses. You got that? Okay. So now let's now represent this information in a line graph. Okay. So I'll click on this first and then drag down to select the other information that I want to represent. Okay. After that, as usual, click on Insert tab, select chart. Okay, this creates pie chart automatically, but that is not what we need. We need a line chart, okay? So I'll get to this section and click and then go with line, okay? You can see this has represented this earning in line chart. If you take your cursor here, you can see it, you can see this, you can see this, you can see this, okay? So that is how you can represent a line chart in a graph. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel so that whenever I publish any new video on technology, you get notification on that. Okay? If you're a tech lover, if you want to learn more about technology, there's need for you to subscribe, okay? Hit that like button for me for the video to go viral and leave a comment. See you next time.